Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a timer on Zoom. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to add more organization to their meetings. For my example, when I have my meetings, we have certain talking points that we want to make sure that we cover during our meetings. And in order to make sure that we stay on track, we use timers. So maybe we'll spend about 15 minutes talking about sales. I will spend about 15 minutes talking about marketing. We'll spend about 15 minutes talking about products and development. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to go onto our Zoom meeting and then access a demo meeting like what you see right here. Next, you're going to click on apps, and then from here, you're going to click on timer. So here you'll see a timer. You just need to adjust the settings. So maybe I want to set this to 15 minutes. So I'll type in 1.5 and then I'll go ahead and click on start. So what you see here now is a timer going down on the upper left hand side. You just need to exit out and there we have it. That is the timer that is now being displayed on Zoom. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually add a timer on Zoom, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.